Let's go in for our first bite. KFC Japan chicken. Here we go. Why is that the best chicken I've ever tasted in my life? Sasaji, we are here at KFC in Kyoto, Japan. We are about to buy a bunch of stuff off the menu and taste test it. Let's go. I'm a little bit drunk, Dave, but I know you guys want this. Oh my god, there's so many people. Let's go. We have ordered everything. It looks a little messy, but let's unpackage everything. First of all, we have a chocolate shake over here. Check this out. That looks delicious. There's like Kit Kat in it or something. Oh my god. There's bear cookies in there. It's like Oreo crumble or something.
In Japan, they do not make the desserts that sweet.
That's a good description. It's not too sweet. Okay, let's save that for dessert though. Let's move that aside.
How'd you give it to me first?
I know, sorry. Let's move it over here. Okay, we're gonna save that for the end for the walk home. Next up, we have your classic chicken burger. Here we go for a nice bite.
Bit into a quarter of that.
Oh my god. KFC Japan is off to a great start. Diet Dave. That chicken is so tender, so juicy. It's a little bit late in the night, but still, they kept their chicken fresh. Oh my god, that chicken burger is a big thumbs up. I'm so happy we got this one. It's actually really good. Is that not delicious?
It's good. I taste some mustard in this.
Mustard?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you taste the mustard, my G?
I don't know. Maybe it's the mayonnaise.
Oh yeah. Next up, we are moving on to Japan KFC exclusive, the Twister. Check that out. I don't know exactly what's in it, but inside I think we have a chicken strip.
Mayonnaise, lettuce.
A little bit of teriyaki sauce, maybe. I would love some sriracha, but... If you're drunk and you're in Japan, get this shit. This will cure any hangover you have.
If you want less carbs, get the wrap.
Yeah.
Because it's not a bun.
And taking my first bite was a lot of bread. My next bite is about to be right in the heart of it. It's so good.
Rate it.
9.5 out of 10. How is the chicken still so crispy? I don't know. Maybe it's because we stood in a line at Omu Rice for 2 hours and they didn't let us in because it was so packed. And now I'm just like extremely hungry. This is amazing. Actually better than the chicken burger we had. The Twister wrap that they have, the chicken whatever. I think that's what it's called. You're welcome, by the way. I saved you the best bite. Oh yeah. Oh my god. That's a nice bite. Let me show the chicken in that. Did you show the layers? Look how beautiful that chicken is. That's not some fake chicken, my G. That's that real shit.
The mayonnaise has some like pickles, relish, onions in them.
Like so far, the two items we had, the chicken burger and the chicken wrap, I could easily finish. What about you?
KFC here tastes better than back at home in Canada.
And I would agree on that. KFC in Japan, way better than KFC in Canada. I don't care. It's delicious. You guys need to try it. And shout outs to this guy for being a co-star in the video. He's over there probably annoyed as hell because we're loud, but screw it. We gotta do this taste test for the Parodians, right? Moving on to item number 3, probably the one that you guys want to know the most, the French fries. Let's see how they taste here.
Take a look at the fries. They look a little different than the ones back at home.
It might be crispy. This one doesn't look crispy. This one looks nice.
They're a lot thicker than the ones at home.
Way more potato-y than back at home in Canada. KFC fries at home, they're very thin cut. You know, like they're soggy a lot of the times when you buy it. Imagine the KFC fries at home.
Yeah, like David said, these fries are thick. She thick. These have a potato taste to it. The ones back at home taste like
Oil.
oil.
Like legit oil. That's all they taste like, oil. But if I would have to choose fries in any fast food place, yo, let's say it together. If you know, you know.
McDonald's.
1, 2, 3.
McDonald's.
You don't know. She doesn't know the best fries in the world. Five Guys Cajun fries are the best fries in the world. Okay, stop saying McDonald's. That's everyone's. Five Guys Cajun fries. Yo, comment down below if you like those.
Five Guys Cajun fries are expensive. That's bougie.
They're expensive because they're delicious.
They cost more than McDonald's.
We have a war here. What do you guys like? McDonald's fries or Five Guys Cajun fries? Comment down below. Look at this. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Ooh.
I'm telling you right off the bat, there's way more flavoring on this than back at home. Look at the spices they use. They do not jip out on the spices, which is very greatly appreciated. Let's go in for our first bite. KFC Japan chicken. Here we go.
Let's hear that crunch, if there is.
Video is done. Cut it, cut it.
Is it better than KFC back at home?
My G, I don't know if it's because I'm drunk Dave right now or something, but why is that the best chicken I've ever tasted in my life? Why is it better than Popeyes?
Are you serious? It's better than Popeyes.
I want to go downstairs right now and order 3 more pieces of this. Just look at this. Please. God. Bro, sometimes when you order at KFC, it's dry. Bro, look at the shine on that.
Can I please have the skin?
Yes.
Favorite part of fried chicken, the skin or the meat?
What a silly question. The skin is the best part, and then the meat.
But David's a weird one. He likes the meat more than
Did
the
you just call
skin.
me a weird mom?
You're weird beard, like you
I have a
say.
beard weird? My beard's weird?
Your beard's weird. It is legit. You only have a few hairs.
This is something I am different between a lot of people. I'm a white chicken mom. Like, I prefer white meat over dark meat. Come get us some ASMR Japanese Pepsi. And guess what? It tastes exactly the same as Canada. Pepsi's Pepsi. Like, come on. Moving on to the chicken tender bags. Look at this piece of glory. It has to be because I'm drunk, Dave. That's the only reason. Why does everything taste so good? I can eat like 10 of these. This is just a nice crispy chicken tender vibes. And you know it's good when I didn't have to order any dipping sauce. I'm eating this plain Jane. You're tasting the chicken right now. How is that?
I like the spices on it.
Me too. You should taste the chicken tender though. This one is really good. And please consider that we did not order any sauce with this stuff. He understands. He knows ASMR. He doesn't mind. You have some stuff on your lip. Last but not least, we have the delicious apple pie. Grab that. Or actually, I don't even know if it's apple pie. It might be something else. The crisp is real. Is it apple pie?
It's not apple pie.
What is it?
It's a custard.
Custard croissant?
See that layer of cream in there?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna have another bite. It's so good.
Oh my god, that crisp.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're gonna eat the rest of this KFC. Enjoy it. The slush over there is been melting, so I have to eat all this food quick so we can finish that deliciousness over there. KFC in Japan is better than McDonald's. This has been a life-changing experience. I love it so much. If I had 100 thumbs up, I would put it up right now, guys. Oh, she ate it all. Look at that. What?
I know.
So we are back in the hotel now. That was a huge success. I'm definitely gonna miss KFC here in Japan. Comment down below where I should eat next. There's still Wendy's, Burger King, and I don't even know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Hey!